Welcome to an exciting and emotional journey with me today. Amidst the vast fields where the green of the rice plants blends with the golden hue of the ripe crops, a new day has begun, filled with countless hopes and expectations. We will explore how the beauty of nature and modern technology come together. This is the moment we've been waiting for, the harvest journey with the CLAAS LEXION 510. Before we start the harvesting process, we need to prepare the CLAAS LEXION 510 perfectly. Technicians check every detail, from the cutting blades to the control system, to ensure that the machine operates at peak performance. This is a crucial step to guarantee a successful harvest season. Now, the CLAAS LEXION 510 is ready to start the harvesting process. Let's follow each step of the harvest, from when the machine rolls onto the wheat field to when the wheat grains are harvested and processed to perfection. The precision and efficiency of the machine not only results in high yield, but also save time and effort. The CLAAS LEXION 510 is not just a harvesting machine, it is truly a technological masterpiece. With its intelligent control system and advanced sensors, the machine not only helps operators easily monitor and adjust, but also delivers exceptional performance. The intuitive indicators and smart alerts are reliable companions, ensuring that each wheat grain is harvested with maximum perfection. This represents the perfect blend of modern technology and design sophistication, delivering outstanding results for every harvest season. During the harvesting process, the CLAAS LEXION 510 not only performs exceptionally, but also provides many practical benefits. From minimizing losses to enhancing harvesting efficiency, the machine has proven its value in real-world situations. Let's look at real footage from the fields and hear stories from farmers about how the machine has contributed to a successful harvest season. And as you look at the wheat fields that have been harvested cleanly and efficiently, the sense of pride and joy is truly beyond words. The CLAAS LEXION 510 is not only a crucial part of the harvest season, but also a symbol of progress and innovation in agriculture. Each moment the machine operates is a testament to the dedication and relentless effort of farmers. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope this video has provided you with powerful emotions and valuable lessons. We are thrilled that you have shared these wonderful moments with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on other exciting videos.